Okay, so before I start with Selenium training today, I'd like to ask everybody: do you have any questions regarding Selenium, regarding the training, or regarding the course? Anything from your side? If you can tell in short about the full course and the content. Okay, look, I have this website qtbselenium.com. Okay, over here under the Selenium tutorial section, I have kept all the details. Right, there are total 43 modules. Fine. Now, technically speaking, I cannot cover all the 43 modules in the training because it will take me a lot of time to finish it off, and there are some modules which not everybody wants. Okay, so now what I'll be covering in the entire course would be Java. I'll cover WebDriver and I'll cover frameworks. Okay, there are various types of frameworks like data driven framework, hybrid framework, keyword driven, page object model. So we look any one of them. We look at any one of them uh, by the choice of the participants. If most of the people want say hybrid framework, then we'll go for hybrid, or data driven, then we'll go for data driven, or page object model, we'll go for page object model, right? But it doesn't mean that you cannot learn all the other frameworks along with the course. I'll give you access to all the 43 modules which are training modules. Okay, in these 43 modules, everything is covered. That is, even Selenium RC is covered. Look, RC I am not taking in the current course because not everybody wants RC today. Okay, most of the people are going towards WebDriver because RC is deprecated, it's obsolete, it's only used by companies who have already built their systems in RC. The new version of Selenium is WebDriver, so all the new development is done in WebDriver. But I'll be giving you pre-recorded sessions on RC as well along with the training, and you'll have a lifetime access to them. You can have a look at them. Fine. Okay. Now the other questions are being asked. First of all, Pradipto Datta, I can see your desktop but not getting any audio. Hold on. Just a minute. Right. Uh, are you going to cover page object model and Cucumber in the training? Look, Prakash, that's what I told you. It's as per the audience. Okay. What goes by the majority? Fine. No, not everybody in India. People joining from India, they don't want Cucumber because nobody in India uses Cucumber. It's used in UK a lot and US as well. Fine. But along with the training, I'll give you the videos on Cucumber BDD as well, which you can have a look at. You can have a look at them. Right. So the problem is the only challenge for me in the online training is that there is so much to cover. There is so much to cover, and there is very less time with me. Okay. So what I tend to do in the online training is I tend to give you a very good platform, all right, in which I explain you a lot of things, and I give you the pre-recorded sessions from which you can extend your knowledge. Okay. So that's what I tend to do. Yes, Srividya, I am recording this session, and after the class, I'll send you a recorded session as well. Okay, or you'll get the recorded session of all the way. Okay. Srividya is asking a question: if we have tests made in RC, can we integrate or can we migrate it to WebDriver? Srividya, the answer is yes, you can do that. I can also tell you how to do that. There's a class on a WebDriver back Selenium which can do, but I would recommend you not to do that because I've seen many people trying to do that and they do more bad to their project than good, right? So if you have a project already implemented in RC and if it is stable, let it remain in RC. If you want to put it into WebDriver, make it again. Don't try to migrate it by putting a bridge in between. Fine. So I'll explain this concept in some time. I'll explain this. Okay. What is the duration of the course? Duration of the course will be roughly 5 weekends, probably 6 as well, depending on the speed at which we go. Right. Fine. And Jenkins, will I be covering Jenkins? If you want, I can cover Jenkins. Yes. In the last class, I did cover Jenkins. It's not a big deal. It's a very simple tool. Okay. So your basically the methodology of teaching will be that I'll be first covering Java in a nutshell, then WebDriver and frameworks. Okay. Java will be covered parallel to WebDriver, and I'll be teaching you. In the first two classes, Rahul, that will be very clear to you today and tomorrow. It will be very clear. Okay. So I hope this answers the majority of the questions from everybody, right? So what I'll do is I'll brief you about the course a little bit from my side, right? Things which we have skipped. Along with the course, I told you I'll be giving you access to all the 43 training videos which are there on my Selenium, which are over. Right now they are more than 130 hours. We have not updated the information, right? And along with that, you'll also get the access to the videos which we are recording in the current class. Okay, fine. So we will get the pre-recorded sessions and the recordings which we are doing in the current class as well. Okay, now let's start with the training.